Hello students, this is Sushil Mishra and today we are going to see roots of a quadratic equation by formula method, and the formula is given x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where b square minus 4ac must be equal to d. And what is d? D is discriminant. In class 10th we have studied about this formula, and here in class 11th also in exercise 5.3 we are going to use the same formula for finding out the value roots of the quadratic equation. So one thing we have studied even in class 9, that n number of roots are there in in a, or you can say every polynomial of degree n has n roots. It means if it is a quadratic equation, if it is a quadratic equation degree will be 2, then roots will also be 2. If linear equation, degree of linear equation will be 1, then root will also be 1. Means, or you can say the factor also 2, factor also 1. Okay, number of roots is equal to number of factors in any polynomial, you can say. So here it is a quadratic polynomial. It means here there will be two roots. Okay, there will be two roots of this particular example. So let us see how to solve this question. So on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a must be equal to 1, b must be equal to 1, and c must also be equal to 1. So by using formula x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root over b square means 1 square minus 4 into a is also 1, c is also 1 upon 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 minus 4 upon 2. So here you can see minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3 under root. That is not a real part. We have studied already in earlier exercises. If any negative numbers is coming under the root, then that will belongs to the complex number. So further we can write this number as minus 1 plus minus root over minus 3 upon 2. So it can be written as minus 1 plus minus root minus 1 into root 3 upon 2 minus 1 plus minus root 3, and value of root over minus 1 is what? Iota. So this can be written as like this. Then as you know in previous classes, on taking negative sign, so x will be what? Minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2, and on taking positive sign, this x will be minus 1 plus root 3I iota upon 2. So these are the two roots of this given question. So in exercise 5.3 I think so 5 or 10 questions are there to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. In every question you will be getting negative numbers, or you can say the discriminant is negative. In case of discriminant is less than 0, in previous classes we had studied three conditions regarding this discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct, and if d is equal to 0, roots are equal and real, or real and equal. And when d is 0, no real roots, or you can say imaginary roots. The same thing is applying here. Here you can see d is what? Less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. If I is present, a plus ib form, that is complex number. So Likewise, you can solve the other question of this exercise. You can try, some questions are given in miscellaneous also, so you can try. If you get any doubt, kindly post your comments so that I can clear your doubt. Thank you.